Home security is a priority for every homeowner, and one of the simplest yet most effective ways to enhance it is through door replacement. In Farmington Hills, a community known for its blend of family-friendly neighborhoods and bustling local life, upgrading your home's doors can provide peace of mind, increase property value, and add to your home's aesthetic appeal. Here's why replacing your doors should be at the top of your home improvement list and how it contributes to a safer, more secure environment for you and your family. Why doors matter for home security. Doors serve as the primary entry points to your home, making them the first line of defense against unwanted intrusions. Worn out, outdated, or poorly installed doors can be easy targets for burglars. Weak frames, compromised locks, or thin materials provide little resistance to break-ins. In Farmington Hills, where residents value the safety of their community, ensuring your doors meet modern security standards is essential. Upgrading to robust, high-quality doors can deter intruders and significantly reduce the risk of forced entry. Benefits of door replacement. Enhanced security features. Modern doors are designed with advanced security features. Solid core materials like steel or fiberglass are highly resistant to impact, making them more challenging to break down. Additionally, many replacement doors come equipped with multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at multiple points along the frame, providing superior protection compared to traditional single-lock mechanisms. Smart locks, often integrated into newer door models, are another game-changer. These allow you to lock and unlock your door remotely, monitor access, and even receive alerts if someone attempts unauthorized entry. Improved energy efficiency. The security isn't the only benefit of door replacement. New doors often include improved insulation, weather stripping, and energy-efficient materials that help regulate your home's temperature. In Farmington Hills, where the weather can range from snowy winters to warm summers, this upgrade can lead to significant savings on energy bills. Increased property value. A high-quality, stylish door isn't just functional, it's an investment in your home's curb appeal. Potential buyers in Farmington Hills recognize the value of modern, secure doors. By replacing your old doors, you not only protect your family but also increase your home's marketability and resale value. Aesthetic appeal. From classic wood finishes to sleek contemporary designs, replacement doors come in a variety of styles that can complement any home. Upgrading your doors can give your property a refreshed, welcoming look while seamlessly integrating with its architectural style. Choosing the right door for your home. When selecting a replacement door, consider these key factors. Material. Steel, fiberglass, and solid wood are the most secure materials. Steel offers unmatched strength, fiberglass resists warping and weather damage, and wood adds timeless elegance. Locking mechanism. Opt for doors with advanced locking systems or ones compatible with smart lock technology. Energy efficiency. Look for doors with ENERGY STAR certification to ensure they meet modern energy efficiency standards. Design. Choose a style that complements your home while maintaining functionality and security. Partnering with a reputable door installation company in Farmington Hills ensures that you select the right door and have it installed professionally for maximum security and durability. Signs it's time to replace your doors. If you're unsure whether your doors need replacing, here are some telltale signs. Visible damage. Cracks, dents, or warping compromise the door's integrity. Drafts or poor insulation. If you feel drafts or notice higher energy bills, your doors might lack proper insulation. Difficulty locking or unlocking. Faulty locks can be a security hazard. Outdated design. Older doors might not meet today's security standards or match your home's aesthetic. The importance of professional installation. While DIY projects can be tempting, door installation is best left to professionals. A poorly installed door can leave gaps, weaken the frame, or cause alignment issues, undermining its security features. Experienced installers in Farmington Hills ensure a seamless fit, proper insulation, and optimal functionality. Conclusion. In Farmington Hills, replacing your doors is more than just a home improvement project. It's a critical step toward enhancing your home's security, energy efficiency, and value. By investing in high-quality replacement doors, you create a safer, more comfortable living environment for your family while boosting your property's overall appeal. Don't wait for a security scare to take action. Explore your options today and make door replacement the cornerstone of your home's protection plan. With the right door and professional installation, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home in Farmington Hills is secure, stylish, and energy efficient.